Hello dear friends. Before watching this video, we advise you to click your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell so as not to miss new videos with the information you need. By subscribing to our Telegram channel using the link in the description, you will be constantly informed about innovations and profitable moments in the crypto world. We also want to clarify that this video is not advice or a call to action. We talk about what we use, and whether to do the same or not is only your decision. We are pleased to present you our new investment channel ProInvest. The founders of this channel include specialists with many years of experience in such areas as real estate investment, professional brokers with experience in building and managing a portfolio in international financial markets, securities exchanges, commodity exchanges, stock markets, forex, and of course crypto markets. On this channel, we will discuss such a necessary topic: how to participate in crypto assets trading without any financial investments and replenish your deposit, and in the future increase it and continue to participate and replenish your deposit for free. Accordingly, you will need to allocate some time for this, and your finances will remain with you in any case, safe and sound. This information will be useful for both novice investors and more experienced professionals. We remind you, do not forget to click your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell so as not to miss new videos with the information you need. By subscribing to our Telegram channel using the link in the description, you will be constantly informed about innovations and profitable moments in the crypto world. We also want to clarify that this video is not advice or a call to action. We talk about what we use, and whether to do the same or not is only your decision. At a later stage, we will touch on such a topic as how to participate in large sales with small financial investments. I repeat, really not big, I would say meager investments. In general, it's a pity for time. Let's get started. Before starting, we would like to clarify that all the discussed resources on our screen will be in the English version, and you can set up any interface language that is convenient for you. This is done in this way. Most often you will meet sites in which there will be an option to change the language. In this case, you select the desired language. If not, then press the right mouse button and select Translate into your usual language. Today the topic of our video will be hotter web wallets. In order to operate with crypto assets, you need wallets. We repeat, wallets in the plural. The fact is that there are several networks or platforms on which crypto assets operate, respectively. For operations in each of them, you need an appropriate wallet. Today we will discuss, install, and learn how to use one of them, which can be called the most common, most reliable. This wallet captures the largest number of platforms. Well, if in the future you need some other wallet, you can install it, configure it, and use it after watching this video. In fact, most of them are similar in functionality, so there shouldn't be any problems. The most important thing, friends, please remember this forever: when installing a wallet, a so-called seed phrase of 12 or 24 words is generated for you, with which you can change all the keys, reinstall the wallet on another gadget, and so on. So, my dears, this very phrase, you write in several places, exactly in the same sequence, word by word, and never show, send, say, or anything like that to anyone. Anyone who knows this set of words can clear your wallet in a matter of minutes and steal all your crypto assets. Once again, be careful, the seed phrase is the key to the safe. And so friends, the wallet that we will discuss is a MetaMask. MetaMask can be called the most common wallet, and it supports the largest number of networks or platforms, such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain or BSC, and many others. Initially, after installation, it supports the Ethereum network, a very expensive network and very high commissions, respectively. We will now learn how to implement other networks into this wallet so that our commissions are meager, not tangible, and accordingly we open up more opportunities. We can interact with more networks. We can operate on more platforms. Let's get down to business. We go to the Google Store or directly to the MetaMask site. If necessary, change the interface language. Click on the blue button, add the Chrome. A sign appears. Click on the Add Extension button. Wait a while and the wallet is added as an extension to the Chrome browser or to any other browser you choose. After that, we click on this puzzle type icon. In the panel that opens, we press the paperclip and attach our wallet to the top panel like this. In the same place, you can remove it or carry out additional manipulations. Now, whenever we open the browser, we will see it in this location. Okay. Let's move on and start setting up the wallet by clicking on the button below. A sheet opens with two options to open a new wallet or enter your existing wallet using that treasured seed phrase from your safe. You and I, friends, open a new wallet and do everything from the very beginning and click on the Create Wallet button. On the next sheet, we read all the conditions and warnings, including those that we have already warned you about, and click on the button I agree, because there is no choice. We want a wallet. Is not it? We come up with a password. My dears, you need to come up with a complex password that includes capital letters, small letters and numbers. To keep your money safe and sound. I will make everything easier, because I am doing this for the purpose of learning. My wallet is on another computer, and all the necessary moments are written on a sheet that is in a notebook. The notebook is in the closet. The closet is in the room is in the house that is locked, and so on. You can endlessly list the street, quarter, district, city. We inserted the password, inserted it again to confirm, agree to the terms and click on the Create button. We get to the sheet where they write and talk about all the secret points that we discussed earlier, read and click on the Continue button. Here, friends, is the same seed phrase for wallet recovery. Slowly, carefully, in the same order and without errors, rewrite these words. We have already said where to put the record. Do not show anyone how we are, because we will delete this wallet after uploading the video. We are just copying for the sake of simplicity of explanation. Click on the Continue button. On the next sheet, we are asked to enter all the previously recorded words by clicking on each of them in the same order. We do this and click Confirm. We get on a sheet where ice cream crackers congratulate us and so on. We continue with you and click on the button is ready. Then we are transferred to the next sheet where a plate appears with the latest additions. We close it and get into our new wallet. As we said, friends, in default, it is configured for the Ethereum network, and now we will learn how to add other networks there. First, we will study it a little, but you need to know how to use it, at least send and receive crypto assets. So by clicking on the top word account, you copy the wallet address. You can send money or crypto money to this very address. Take or steal through this address is not possible. You cannot be afraid. There will be sites or exchanges or exchangers on which there is no registration. You just connect them with your wallet with this particular number and they will recognize you that way. Let's move on to the application for further explanation. Once again, at the top of the account, click and copy the wallet address. For further actions, you must have this currency in your wallet to pay for your transactions. All actions are paid except for receiving money. The first button to buy is the less used button. I don't know, maybe someday it will come in handy. The second button is send. By clicking on it we get to the sheet where you need to insert the recipient's address. In our case, I will paste our previously copied address and immediately we are told there are not enough funds to pay for the transaction. In the case when everything is in order, you fill in the required amount and click next, after which you will be asked to confirm the transaction and your money will be transferred to the address you specified. After a while, you will receive a confirmation. The third exchange button, clicking on it redirects you to a sheet where you can select the coin you want to exchange and the coin you want to exchange for. Next, choose a gas, that is, a transaction fee. The higher the percentage, the faster the transaction goes and the lower, respectively, the slower. Everything seems to continue to confirm and so on. Okay friends, let's add an additional network to our wallet. We will add Binance Smart Chain or BSC, a very common and cheap network. I would say the most common and fastest network, and transaction fees will cost you hundredths of a cent. And so click on the top drop-down menu and click Add Network. In the first window, enter the name. Group of dashes, you can enter any. In the second window, enter such an address. In the third window, ODI, enter the number 56. This is the network number. In the fourth window, enter the Latin 3 letters BNB capital or in irregular font. In the fifth window, it is not necessary, but we enter this address from the Plus server. By the way, you can also check some wallet movements and additional data at this address. We press save and we see that instead of Ethereum, the BNB coin appeared on our screen and, accordingly, we will pay for our transactions cheaper by tens or even hundreds of times. Next, we learn to add a coin that is not in the list. At the bottom we press import token, we get to the page in the upper window, insert the coin contract, in the second window we enter the name, and in the third window we enter the decimal number. Sometimes it happens that after entering the contract, everything else is filled in automatically. We find the contract in different sources. One of them is a CoinMarketCap video about this resource you will find on our channel. Next, click Add at the bottom, and on the next sheet click Import Token. Now we see this token or this coin on our wallet screen, and when we receive a certain amount, we will see that amount instead of 0. That's all. Please, write in the comments if this information was useful. If you have any questions, what else you would like to know. We respond to comments and try to fulfill the request of our subscribers, even if this requires an additional video. Also, if the information was useful, be sure to press your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell so as not to miss new videos with useful information. By subscribing to our Telegram channel using the link in the description, you will be constantly informed about innovations and profitable moments in the crypto world. We wish you good luck, attentiveness and good income.